Alright guys, we're back. Okay, today we're talking about characters speaking out of turn, something that will drive you up the wazoo. You would go completely ballistic. Especially if you're burning credits. That just sucks. When you see a video generate and it's not what you wanted and the characters are going out of turn and then you're...
It's MY turn to talk. No, it's no T. You talked already. Hey, don't interrupt me. I wasn't finished. You never finished. Okay, it looks like it's still my turn. Now you've done it.
Got to regenerate and it costs you more credits and it's going to drive you crazy and it's going to cost you money. So what you're going to need to do is, okay, so a lot of things could make this happen. Sometimes if you write a prompt that's just too much for an 8-second video, that's going to throw the AI all out of control. That's one reason that it happens when you try to add too much in the scene. You got to keep it short and add as much detail as you can without over adding detail, because even if you over add detail on all your characters, the AI starts getting confused and it starts putting the wrong clothing on the wrong people. The speech generated is talking out of turn. Another reason is you got to make sure that whatever name you mention last is the name that you want to start speaking first in the video that the AI generates. So you don't want to say Vinnie told April so and so, because then the AI is going to generate, if April's in the prompt, it's going to have her talk first because her name was mentioned last. So you always want to say, if you got to say it like that, Vinnie told April, then you got to say again, Vinnie said so and so. You got to make sure that my name is said last for the AI to see that that's who the one that's talking. And then there's the special characters and commas. Okay, sometimes after you've written your prompt in ChatGPT adds a lot of special characters, commas and slashes, and quotations are good. But even quotations, any kind of special characters is going to make the AI trigger it's going to make the AI trigger another character to talk on a turn. It switches characters when it sees for some reason, when it sees a special character, it wants to switch characters on your story and they speak on a turn. So it just drives you completely nuts, because every time that you generate a video and it generates the wrong character speaking on a turn, you got to generate again and it costs you more credits and it just drives you freaking crazy. So you got to just make sure these are some tips, that'll help. Remember, just don't use commas. I know we all practice good grammar, but in this case with the AI, it doesn't like special characters. Try to stay away from commas, any slashes, dashes, anything that the ChatGPT might generate, and spaces even. ChatGPT generates a lot of spaces in between phrases, and that drives the AI crazy too. So you're going to have to keep it tight, keep it right. You see this? Remember this. Keep it tight, keep it right. All right? So there's no spaces in between, and I got rid of all the commas. And anyone that's talking on a multiple person prompt whoever you want to speak, you have to mention their name last before you say what they're going to say. Well, I hope those tips help you guys, and I hope it saves you some money. Have a good one, Vinnie King. I'm out.
Okay, now that we finally know whose turn it is to talk, what do you have to say?
Nothing. I said everything I needed to say.
Great. When it's your turn to talk, you've got nothing to say.
Uh-uh.
Not your turn.